Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to navigate your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. First let's talk about the home screen. You can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen from any app. The second thing is to switch between apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Then swipe left or right to browse through your open apps. Now let's talk about Control Center. To access the Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will find quick settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and screen brightness, etc. Now if you want to check the notifications, swipe down from the middle or top left side of the screen to open the Notification Center. Now let's talk about the search. To search for apps or information, swipe down from the center of the home screen to open the Spotlight search bar where you can type in the app name or anything and you will be able to see its result. Now let's talk about accessing the hidden apps. If you want to access your hidden apps, just swipe right from the home screen and you will be able to see the app library. And finally for Siri, just say Hey Siri to enable the voice activation. And that's it. With these features and gestures, you can navigate through your iPhone 16 Pro super easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe.